Lacey Barsan C. Toneltino. I'm 6 years old. I live in I-2 Plaza 6, Quezon City. My mother's name Nika C. Toneltino. My father's name Patrick Felci Doneltino. My artist said my artist name Ate Wulis Toneltino.
Arian Luis. Arian Luis.
Arian Wulis.
Luis. C.
Toneltino.
What's your father's name?
Patrick Felci Doneltino.
What's your Lola's name?
What?
What is your Lola's name?
What's Lola's name? Robot?
Patrocenia.
C. Toneltino.
You say what you want to say. You will aral kay?
I will aral with ate. So I will be grade 1. Then I will eat in ate's in the back, in the front.
In the front. Okay, it's
Thank
lunch.
you.
It's lunch.
Thank you.
What is your hindi pa tapos. What is your talent?
Like this, like that.
It's a pare.
Yeah.
What
When I be small.
Yan, Arian. When you small?
Yeah, like this, I'll show you. Look, like this.
Like that.
Like that.
Okay. Okay, again, one more time. Can you introduce... Wait. You stay there. You stand up. Okay. For the last time, can you introduce yourself? Go.
No, I will sing that at church.
Wow, that is a very good...
Manoninod, awit sa noy, Marianoy, anawniyan,
Okay, that's a good talent. Okay, for the last time, can you introduce yourself?
Daddy, I'm pawis na po.
You pawis na? Okay, sige. For last time na, one more time. Introduce yourself. 1, 2, 3, go.
Hi, my name is Lacey Barsan C. Toneltino. I'm 6 years old.
I live at...
I live at Plaza 6, Quezon City. My mother's name Nika C. Toneltino. My father's name Patrick Felci Toneltino. My artist name
Arian Luis
C. Toneltino.
Okay, very good. Kami na, very good. Okay na. Okay na, Clay. Okay na, Clay. It's May 28, 2025, 6:45 katatapos lang ng misa. It's Wednesday. Araw-araw na ako nagsisimba. Araw-araw na ako kumakain ng ostya. Sinasama ko si Clay. Clay, don't go there. Clay. Let's go na, Clay. You say good health, my family. Yeah. Family. Family.
Oh,
They're closing the door. Lalagpas na ata ako sa langit eh. Araw-araw kumakain ng ostya.
Okay na po ako siya po kasi.
Pero may ano na din po ako ng parents.